what slim chance they had of keeping the cup here in New Zealand has snapped.
It's a fantastic team. You know, we're still all friends at the end of what has been a tough campaign, and I think we've built something really marvellous, and we're working very, very hard to keep it together.
Terribly sad, but you know, it's not life or death. We can challenge.
To all our supporters here and in New Zealand, you're absolutely brilliant. We love you. Thank you. The America's Cup.
They're coming down, Alingi out to the left. Team New Zealand, can they accelerate? Coming down, Alingi's going to get there.
Kiwi whitewash, now just one win away from the America's Cup.
And I never thought I would say this, but Oracle's going to win the America's Cup.
The comeback of 2013 is complete.
The loss in San Fran clearly made us stronger. It's a pretty tough way to get stronger as a team.
Has been set very high. We have anticipated these guys to be good. I don't think anybody anticipated the Kiwis to be this good.
There will be no fairy tale comeback this time around. The America's Cup wrestled from the USA by Berlin's men in black. The trophy belongs to New Zealand.